Hi, my name is Pauline Schwartzman, and I'm the Outreach Librarian for English and Film Studies here at the University of Rochester. In this video, I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to Kanopy, which is a service we have here at the University of Rochester that gives you streaming movies and videos. So if you're looking for a movie or video to show in your class or for your research, then this is definitely the video for you. Now, Kanopy, like I said, is a video streaming service, and they have collections of movies that include documentaries, classic cinema, international cinema, independent films, as well as many educational videos. So the best way to access Kanopy from the library's homepage is to go to the search and switch from articles, books, and more to databases. And then you can just type in Kanopy, and remember that it's Kanopy spelled with a K, and then just hit enter to search. And that's going to take you right to the link for Kanopy. So we'll click on that. Now, if you're off campus and don't have the VPN, you are just going to have to go ahead and put in your net ID and password, and then click login. And it does take a minute, so we're just going to be patient. So you're going to get to this home page that confirms that you're with the University of Rochester. You might have to scroll down a bit to just find this link that says Login to Rochester. Click on that. Click again on Login to Rochester. And this also takes a couple of minutes. So again, just be patient. Okay, so here we go. So this is the Kanopy homepage. So it's going to have these sort of featured collections of videos. They have spotlights, they have new documentaries, and then they just have these collections like the Great Courses, Global Health, State of the Union, which is videos about the government, popular documentaries, and so on and so forth. So all these videos on the homepage are available for you to watch, and all you have to do is just click on the video, and then you can just press play and it'll start the video for you. It's that easy. Now let's go back to the Kanopy homepage. Now, if you click on Browse, you can browse by genre and also by topic if you're looking for documentaries or instructional videos or educational videos. And you can also search by title or by keyword. So I'm just going to go ahead and run a search for German cinema. Now, the way that we have Kanopy at the University of Rochester is through a mediated model. And what that means is that while some films are freely available for you to watch, others you're just going to have to request. So when you run a search, as I just did, all these films that come up at the top are ones that you can watch just by clicking on them, and they'll be immediately available. But if you scroll down, you're going to see this box that says videos you can request for your library. Now, those are ones that you would have to put in a request and let us know what you're using it for in order to be able to watch them. So let's say, for example, that I was looking for the movie Little Shop of Horrors. Now, when I run the search, I'm not seeing it in these search results up here. However, if I scroll down to the videos I can request from my library, it looks like we do have it. It's just you have to request it. So to request a video, you just click on the title. And then you scroll down a bit and you just have to put in some information, your name, email, what course you're using it for, and just give us a brief description of what the use of the video is going to be. And that request, once you click request access, it takes about 2 to 3 days for the video to become available if your request is accepted. So just make sure to plan ahead for that. So that's Kanopy. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So I hope that that was helpful in showing you how to access Kanopy and how to use it. The River Campus librarians are always available for you for help. So if you have any questions about Kanopy or any other of our databases or resources, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find our contact information by clicking on the Get Help section on the library's homepage. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and good luck with your research.